Okay, so welcome to chain rule. I already have a video that explains it, the basic rule, but now I wanted to do some additional examples. So let's look at them. Okay, so reviewing the rule, step 1, identify u and calculate u prime. Step 2, rewrite the function in terms of u. Step 3, apply chain rule, 2 parts. Part A, take the derivative in terms of u. Part B, multiply by u prime. Step 4, substitute back. And 5, simplify. Okay, so here's an exponential example. We have a function e to the 4x. We want to take the derivative and we want to use chain rule. When you have an exponential, typically you want to select the exponent as u. This is different than the original example I did when I explained chain rule. So u is equal to 4x. U prime is just 4. Now we rewrite our function. So our function in terms of u now looks like e to the u. We like that because that's a basic derivative. So applying chain rule, again there are 2 parts. The first part, we want to take the derivative of step 2. The derivative of e to the u is just e to the u. Nice, easy derivative. Then we multiply that by u prime. That's essential because we're doing chain rule. Step 4, substitute back. So we already know what u and u prime are in step 1, so we use that information to replace everything in terms of x. And then step 5 is a simplification, and we are done. Next example. This one is a log example. So we have the natural log of 3x plus 1. We want to take the derivative. So in this case, what we want to do is replace u. We want to use u to replace 3x plus 1, which is what is in the parentheses. So that's in step 1, and then once you know that, you just take u prime, which is the derivative of u, and that's 3. Step 2, rewrite the function. Remember, we're not taking the derivative now, we're just rewriting the function in terms of u, so it's natural log of u. Step 3, 2 parts. First part, derivative of part 2. Derivative of natural log of u is 1 over u. Step 2, multiply by u prime, which we always do with chain rule. Step 4, replace u and u prime back, which we already know what they are in step 1, so we replace them. And then step 5, simplify, and we are done. And that's chain rule. Now go practice, and practice some more.